Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a short and sweet video for you guys today. I know I say they're always short, but then they end up running longer, but this is actually gonna be really short. I have an unboxing video for you today. But before we get into this, if this is your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button, bell notification, share it, all that fun stuff. And when you hit that bell notification, you'll be notified when we post new videos. We do try to post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. There are sometimes we miss, but it's life and things happen. But we do post shorts every other day that we do not post a longer video. So check those out when you have time. This right here just arrived today. This box is actually from eBay. I attended the eBay Open virtually this year. I got to watch some stuff, attended some of the Q&As. And since I did that, I was able to get some free swag, as they called it. Just had to answer some questions. And if I was one of the first, I don't remember how many it was, I was able to get some stuff. I actually think I got some stuff for 2 days. So let's open it up and let's see what's in here. Trusty box cutter. As long as you don't cut, I'm not even sure what's in here, so I don't want to cut it too much and actually cut what's actually in there. Let's see. Okay, box is open. Here we go. I wasn't even sure that this was from eBay. So here's a card that was actually in here. Thanks for attending eBay Open 2023. We can't wait to see how you take your business to the next level with your insights from this week. As always, thanks for selling with us. And here's the card right here. I know it says this week, but it's actually probably been a month and a half, 2 months already since they shipped these out. So like I said, I don't even remember what's in here, but we're gonna find out. They actually included some nice packing paper. So I'll actually reuse that on our stuff. Okay, one of the first things I see is a piece of trash. But here's a pin. eBay Open 2023. Super, super cool. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. Maybe I'll list it on eBay. We'll see. But yeah, so that's there. Oh, that's actually really, really nice. Okay, so we're going to do... Actually, I'm not sure. There's a bag here. Tools for stellar sellers, which we'll open that up last. But these next two things I'm going to show you. Guys, whenever you go to yard sales, we always use blue IKEA bags. You go to the bins, blue IKEA bags are gold. You can fit a ton of stuff in them. I lose them in the car. We use them when we go grocery shopping sometimes. We actually got one here. This is kind of like an IKEA bag, but this one is black and it has eBay on it. So super, super cool. Actually says eBay on the straps here too. So really nice bag. Not sure I'll use this at yard sales though, so people don't know I'm selling, but it will definitely get its use. The other nice one here is this bag. This was actually really cool. I thought we were going to end up getting two of the other bags. This one's really nice. eBay's embroidered here in white. Nice bag here. It's foldable with the metal inside and the straps. That's actually a really cool bag, and I like that one a lot. Notice there was something else down here in the box. Little eBay keychain. Now I will put this on our key ring and definitely rock that one out. So let's see what's in this package now. Nice little kit, I think it is. Really nice zipper. Okay, let's see what's in here. First things first. I'm not sure what this is. I want to say like a scraper / peeler. It has eBay on it right there. Let's see it. Nice and that's really super, super cool. Oh, I think this is a tape measure. I think. Let's open it up and see what it is. This is what it looks like in the pack. With eBay on it. I need my trusty knife. Let's see. Set that down for a second. Yep, nice little tape measure here. So when you are measuring clothes, somebody asks for a measurement like they always do. When they ask for a measurement on clothes and then they don't buy it, you can use this to get your measurement. So you pull the tape out. If you want to retract it, press this button right here. And it takes it back in. Almost dropped it. There we go. That's super cool. That will definitely get some use. Actually, here's another card in here. Tools to be a stellar seller. Keep up your spectacular service with a label remover, measuring tape, and lint remover. So the first thing was a label remover, which was right here. I just showed you guys the tape measure also. Now also one other thing is the lint roller, but this nice bag here, which I might actually use to keep all my supplies in. Now, one of the things I usually use to take labels off, we'll see how that one actually works. This is a go-to for us, is a Scotty peeler. This one is the metal one. There are also, if you buy the pack of them, you get the plastic ones too. They come in red and white, so we use these all the time. There should be a link in the description below. Go check them out on Amazon. They're super cheap and they come in handy. Now onto this lint roller. They call it the Fuzzerator. Right there, you think I'm lying. I'm not. The Fuzzerator. It's actually on the front too. Lint brush. Fuzzerator, lint brush. Let's see what this thing is. I can kind of kick out of that. Well, that's actually kind of nice. I think that's what you do. I'm not 100% sure. Guess it uses it like this. Clean it off. Close it. Open, close. Open, close. So super, super cool. Definitely put this to use. I was going to say that was the lint roller we used, but it's actually saran wrap. Here's the lint roller here that we use. This comes in handy too. It's actually clean right now because I just had to take the piece off. So that is it for the unboxing from the eBay Open. Guys, if you're a seller for eBay, I'm not sure if buyers can attend or not. I think it's just sellers. Keep your eyes out every year. They send out a message through messages. Also, they advertise it on their website. You should attend. It is very helpful. There's a lot of good things on there. There's some things that might not pertain to you, but it's still a pretty cool thing. I would love to attend one year in person, but we'll see how the schedule works out for that since we do work full-time. We have a full-time family. Virtually works better for us right now. So, and we got some really cool swag from this year. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up down below, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff, and we'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.